Dear DIYer, join me on a tutorial starting with these supplies and ending with this work of art. Hi guys, Quita here from Crown Me Quita, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through a DIY tutorial on how to make your very own door wreath. So let's get into it. So I really want to decorate my porch in Elon Decor, and I found these really cute pillow covers and garden flag via Amazon, but I had the hardest time finding door wreaths. Well, I take that back. I found one, y'all, and that one wreath was very expensive. Well, no, I won't call it expensive because you do get what you pay for, and it did look like very good quality, but it was more than I was willing to spend, knowing that I could make it myself. Moral of the story here, frugality is key, and where can I save money? So here's the pillow covers and the garden flag that I will be creating my wreath to match. And I'd also like to add that I may or may not use all of those supplies because I have not created the design of the wreath in advance. I'm making it as I go. But I wanted to bring you along on the journey in case you want to make your own DIY door wreath in the near future. So you're going to start with your tool and your scissors, and you're going to start measuring out spirals. This is going to be the foundation of the door wreath. So I start by creating the first spiral to kind of gauge how big you want it to be. So for me, that's good. I'm going to cut here. And I'm going to use this piece as my ruler for all of my other pieces, like so. And it doesn't have to be perfect, a perfect measurement every time, but you want to get really close so that you have a uniform size of spirals for the foundation of your wreath. So now that we have our pre-measured spirals cut, we're going to start rolling them and inserting them into the wreath form, the wire wreath form. So to reiterate, I started by taking a pre-cut square piece of tulle or mesh, whatever you want to call it, rolling it into a spiral like so, and then taking a zip tie, which you can get from the Dollar Tree, and zip tying them to the main brackets all the way around the wire wreath form. Then I'm going to spend the rest of my time filling in the spaces in between. So at this point, I am taking 2 spirals at a time, connecting them like so, and finding empty spaces on the wire wreath form and zip tying 2 at a time. So I'm going to continue to do this until most of the gaps are filled. So this is where we are so far. That's the foundation of my wreath. And now I'm going to go in with my golden tool and cut those in spirals and fill in the blank spots. So at this point, I am taking the golden tool, cutting it at about this length. It's really see-through right now. And then I'm I'm rolling that into a spiral. Like so, and then fold it in half, then cut it in half, and I'm going to stick it into the empty spaces like so. So I've already done some. So I'm just finding empty spots, and I'm gonna just stick them in with zip tie. And of course, you always want to cut off the end of the zip tie. So here we have the foundation of the wreath. At this point, I'm just going to flip out the spirals and make them look the way I want. And my next step is decorating the bee before I attach it. See you in the next clip. So now it's time to decorate the bee. I'm going to take the Elon stickers that I got from Amazon and place them on the bee. And I'm just going to take packaging tape. This is my own little way of doing it. You do however you please. But I'm going to cover the bee in packaging tape so that if it rains, you know, and the wind blows the rain sideways onto the porch and the wreath gets wet, the stickers won't get wet. They'll always be protected. So now I'm going in with white tulle, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the gold tulle. So I've already cut out 3 different types of ribbon: buffalo plaid, gold, and white. And I am going to just put them on top of each other like so. Pinch, gather them in the center by pinching, and then I'm going to zip tie them in empty spaces throughout the wreath. In order to get the ends of the ribbon like this, you simply fold it in half at the ends like so, and then you cut from the middle down to the corner. And then you want to seal that with a lighter like so. I do not recommend this for children. The last step is placement of the wooden bee. So I haven't decided if I want to place it in the center or if I want to place it on the side. But either way, I'm going to glue it with hot glue, and then you'll be able to see the final product. Let's go. And so here we have the finished product. All you gotta do is use your imagination. Cute, huh? Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And comment down below if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy YouTubing!